Hey guys, Alice here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing not one, not two, not three, but 7 simple ways that you can earn money online as a student. I'll be sharing some practicals and easy hacks that you can start using from today. Whether you need extra cash for your textbook, social activities, or you just want to save up, these 7 ways to earn money online as a student is really going to help you. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. The number 1 way you can make money online as a student is freelance writing. If you have a basic knowledge in writing, you can actually monetize your knowledge by offering services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can write article, blog posts, or even academic papers. And the most beautiful part of this is you can actually be in your dorm room with your smartphone or with your laptop and getting this job done. To get started, create a profile showcasing your writing skill and applying for gigs. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $100 per article, depending on your experience and the complexity of the work. Freelance writing is really a fantastic skill for students if you have basic knowledge in copywriting or if you have basic knowledge in writing. If you do not have any basic knowledge and you really want to do this, you can actually consume some YouTube video and you can get started with that basic knowledge, okay? The number 2 way you can earn online as a student is tutoring. If you are good at a particular subject, why not help others at the same time making money for yourself? You can offer tutoring service for your classmates or even for your younger students. Websites like Deep Tutors and Zat are great platforms to find tutoring gigs. Tutors can earn between $50 to $50 per hour, depending on your subject and your experience. Plus, it's a fantastic way to also reinforce your knowledge. While you teach people, at the same time, you are indirectly teaching yourself and your knowledge is being sharpened more. So it's really a fantastic way for you to earn money online as a student if you are very good in one particular subject or the other. Do not sleep on this guy. Just go or sign up on this website I mentioned earlier and start getting gigs. Then start smiling to the bank, okay? You don't really need to be broke as a student. Third way you can earn as a student is by selling notes and study guide. Another great way to make money as a student is by selling your own notes and study guides. If you take detailed notes in class, you can actually sell them off to other students who might need extra help. The website that I'm displaying on your screen right now actually allows you to upload your notes and your study guide, then sell them to other students who are in need of them. You can earn from $5 to $50 per set of notes, depending on the quality and demand. This is a great way to actually make money from the hard work you have put in. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content like this. So let me give you just 2 seconds for you to hit that like button. Hit the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's continue. The 4th side hustle you can do as a student is language tutoring and translation. If you are fluent in more than one language, you can actually offer language tutoring and translation service in the website that are displaying on your screen right now. Do not sleep on this, guys. Check out this platform to find student or translation gig. These updates I'm giving you guys, they are really legit and cool ways for you to make money online as a student. Being a student, you really do not need to be broke. So don't sleep on this guy. Hop on this update and start cashing out big as a student, okay? Language tutors can earn between $10 to $30 per hour, while translator can earn depending on the complexity and the length of the text. This is really a great way to use your language skill to start smiling to the bank. So the 5th way you can actually make money online as a student is online survey and market research. If you prefer something you can actually do with your mobile phone or with your laptop, I would advise you consider online surveys and market research. The platforms that are displaying on your screen right now, they are really fantastic websites that you can start your online survey or market research from. So check them out and you will not regret it. While you would get rich from survey, you can earn a few dollars from survey. And this add up over time. This is a fantastic way for you to make money during your free time. It could be during your study break. You can just quickly do 1 or 2 surveys for you to gather a few dollars here and there, okay? The number 6th way you can use to make money online as a student is through PPT making and data entry. Another simple way to earn money is by offering services like PowerPoint presentation making and data entry. Many students and businesses need help in creating presentations and managing data. You can find gigs or freelance platform, or you can offer your services to local businesses. You can just reach out to these businesses with your proposal, and you might be surprised that they will be interested in what you have to offer. You can charge per project or hour, and rates can vary from $10 to $13 depending on the complexity of the work. This brings us to the 7th way that you can use to make money online as a student, and trust me guys, this is my absolute favorite, which is starting a YouTube channel. Guys, I understand as students that you might be overwhelmed with your studies. I do understand, but if you really put your mind into this, you can do it. Having a YouTube channel is really a fantastic asset. This is not even a side hustle at all, because this particular hustle is for a lifetime. You can just set out time that you can use for your YouTube channel. As I earlier said in the previous ways that we have discussed, you might be very good in a particular subject, and you'll be amazed that if you open a YouTube channel and start teaching topic by topic on that particular subject or that particular course you are good, you'll be amazed that many people will be interested for them to subscribe to your channel because you are giving value. I will advise that no matter how tight your schedule is, you should try and open a YouTube channel. You can start by uploading maybe 3 videos a week or 2 videos in a week. Just try and be consistent, and you see that you are growing your audience gradually. You can actually decide to be doing one of the side hustles I've mentioned before, then you are doing YouTube. The reason why you'll be doing one of the side hustles I've mentioned before is for you to keep cash flow. Then YouTube is going to pay you as you progress. All right, the reason why I advise that you should open a YouTube channel as a student is because even after school, you will still have that digital asset that is going to pay you for a very long time, if not for a lifetime. Just sit down and really think about this YouTube channel of a stuff. It's a good thing that you are going to be happy that you did. All right, just calm down, think about what you are interested in or what you know. If it's not even what you know, if it's just what you are interested in, it's still good. Thank God for the help of AI. AI has come to stay, and we are going to use AI for our benefit. You can use ChatGPT to do almost all the work. Just get your script, set your phone, and start recording your video. If you are interested in starting a YouTube channel as a student or as a busy person, just let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to be sharing different niches that you can actually go into that are actually not really time consuming like that. Once I get 3 to 5 persons commenting that they are interested in the video, I'm going to be creating that video as my next video. That brings us to the end of the video, guys. The next video that is showing up on your screen right now is the video that is going to teach you how you can make $120 every single day by commenting on YouTube video. Just click on that video and I will see you on the other side.